Won't come off the downrider? Wonder what happened. Well, bring it up.
You want an efficient way to get to your short list of qualified candidates. That's why you need Indeed.com. Just like over 3 billion people. Once the job is made, set up screener questions.
Well, it shouldn't be.
Yeah, there's a fish down there.
Yeah, I know he's there. Probably be sand bass out here. Can you see it? I wonder why it didn't unhook. There he is, sand bass. Nice one. Wonder why it didn't pull off.
I don't know.
Well, I got one on now myself. We probably would have had a whole lot more had we
America's largest mortgage lender. Let's talk credit card debt for a minute. If you feel you're carrying too much of it, you're not alone. The average household in the U.S. carries over $8,000 in credit card debt. Ready for some good news? With a cash out refinance from Quicken Loans, you can quickly and easily put some of the equity in your home to good use by paying off a lot of that high interest credit card debt. A great way to take cash out is with our 30-year fixed rate mortgage. The rate today on our 30-year fixed rate mortgage is 4.125%. APR 4.22%. Today, 800 quick. The learner taking cash out with a 30-year fixed mortgage might be the right solution for you. And for a record 9 years in a row, J.E. Power has ranked the most highest in the nation. Customer satisfaction for primary mortgage origination. Call us today at 800 quicken or go to rocketmortgage.com for extra more information. LA County Fire needs more resources for fires and emergency calls. Visit Hi, Tony Diamato, the new general manager of Custom Lexus, the fastest growing Lexus dealership in the country. It's Custom Lexus' 30th anniversary, and with the factory's golden opportunity sales event going on at the same time, it's the biggest sales event at Custom Lexus.
Oh, yeah. Well, it might be longer than that.